сабак.
Hello children, I'm your English teacher Anara. How are you today? Fine? Good of you. Do you have your books ready? Let's start. Look at the picture and choose the correct verb, have or like. Yes, you choose the verb have. I have one brother. I have a cat. Next, choose the correct verb, speak, drink, eat. I speak English. I speak Kyrgyz. I eat fish. I eat meat. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Now repeat the verbs. Have. Let's spell it. H-A-V-E. Have. Eat. Let's spell it. E-A-T. Eat. Next verb. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Like. Live. Now make up sentences about you. You have words Kyrgyzstan, vegetables, a town, a city, a village, fruit, two sisters, books, computer games, milk, a dog, many friends, Russian, Uzbek, a horse, juice. Let's make some sentences together. I live in a city. I have a dog. Now your sentences. Read your sentences to your teachers. Now let's make up a yes-no question. I live in a city. Do you live in a city? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Let's make a question to an answer, a city. How can we make it? Do you live in a city? What word do we put here? Right, we put the question word where. Where? Где? Where do you live? In a city. I live in a city. Question word here shows a place. Where? In a shop. Where? At school. Next sentence. I have a dog. Ask yes/no question. Do you have a dog? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now let's make a question to an answer, a dog. Do you have a dog? What? Что? What do you have? A dog. What do you have? A cat. What? A pen. What? A book. I like books. Let's ask yes/no question. Do you like books? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now let's make a question to an answer. I likes books. Who likes books? I. Who? Кто? Who is your favorite writer? Now let's sum up. Where shows a place. Where in a city. Where in Kyrgyzstan. What shows object, thing or animal. What? A pen. What? A car. Who shows person or people. Who? Children. Who? A boy. Now look at the formula and remember. Question word, вопросительное слово, plus do, auxiliary verb, вспомогательный глагол. Subject, подлежащее. Verb, сказуемое. So you have the formula. Where do you live? Where is the question word. Do is auxiliary verb. You is a subject. Live is a verb. Next. What do you like? I like apples. What is a question word. Do is auxiliary verb. You is subject. Like is a verb. Next. Who plus verb plus object. Who likes books? I like books. Now write the formula into your notebooks. Look at the exercise and complete with the question words where, what, and who. A. Food do you like? What food do you like? B. Do you live? Where do you live? C. Languages do you speak? What languages do you speak? D. Music do you like? What music do you like? E. Is your favorite writer? Who is your favorite writer? Good job, children! Now put in order the words in exercise in your textbooks, page 78, exercise 6. You have words you, music, do, what, like. B. Live, you, where, do. C. Languages, you, speak, what, do. D. Like, what, food, you, do. E. Pets, do, what, have, you. F. Like, what, drinks, you, do. What music do you like? Where do you live? What languages do you speak? What food do you like? What pets do you have? What drinks do you like? Good job, children! Now complete the questions with the question words what, where, who. Number 1. Is your name? What is your name? Where is your name? Who is your name? What do you choose? You choose what. What is your name? Number 2. Do you live? What word do you choose? What do you live? Where do you live? Who do you live? Okay, you choose word where. Where do you live? Number 3. Is your phone number? What? Where? Who? Okay, you choose word what. What is your phone number? Next, speaks English here. Who speaks English here? Next, is the park? Okay, you choose where, what, or who. Good, you choose where is the park. And the last one, lives in that house. You choose who. Who lives in that house? Good job, children. Now look at the questions. What is different? Where do you study? Where is the park? In both questions, we have the question word where. Can we say where is your study? Or can we say where does the park? No, we can't. Where do you study? Study shows action. That is why verbs that show action use auxiliary verb do to make questions. Where is the park? Where plus verb with to be and subjects. The park is in the center of the city. The park is the subject of the sentence, and we use the verb to be. So, children, do is action verb. It shows action. To be, am, is, are describes nouns, location, and people. Now, children, answer the questions. What is your name? What is your name? What is your family name? What is your family name? Where do you study? Where do you study? What is your favorite subject? Who is your favorite writer? Who do you live with? What languages can you speak? Discuss your answers with your classmates in your online classes and find similarities. Now, children, let's sing the song together with question words. What? Where? That's all for today, children. Learn how to make questions with question words where, what, who. Also, remember that where shows a place. What shows object, thing, or animal. Who shows person or people. That's all. Goodbye and take care.